Hey, welcome to Kidbury Book Reviews, where I review books that I've read so you can learn more about them. Please enjoy this video. Today on Kidbury, I will be reviewing one of the Magic Treehouse books called Tonight on the Titanic by Mary Pope Osborne. In this book, Jack and Annie go to the treehouse on a dark, stormy night. They find a puppy who is under a curse. They call him Teddy. Then the treehouse takes them back to the time of the Titanic to find a mystical gift. And then when the ship starts sinking, they meet two new friends. And then they have to get back to the treehouse, which is in between two smokestacks. The back of the ship is in the air. And then the tip is in the water, under it. When they get back to the treehouse, it starts to spin faster and faster until everything goes still. They're back in their own time. It's still nighttime like they left because time pauses literally when they leave. Did you know you can pick up a copy of the book that I just reviewed at your local library, or get your own copy of this book on some of the links that we'll link you to on kidbury.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to Kidbury for more awesome book reviews. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.